Hi Sophie. So the good news is this is really similar to the one that we did in the lesson today. And the key to it is this idea that in one section you've got 8 fewer trees. Okay, so this one lends itself really well to comparing the number of squares that represent the area between the different sections. So I'm going to first of all look at the 5 by 5 squares, and what I mean by that is 5 small squares by 5 small squares. So in this section 300 to 400, I can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those squares. And then the next one, between 400 and 500, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then that's going to be 8, because they're both half a square, 9, 10. Okay, so let's have a think. So it means that for this section there are 4 more squares than there are in this section. And that means that 4 squares has got to equal 8 trees, because that's the difference. So, sorry. That's going to be the difference between the different sections. So that means that 1 square has got to be equal to 2 trees. And simply now, if we want to work out an estimate for the number of trees that have a height greater than 500, I'm going to count the squares and then times it by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to estimate 2 times by 7, I'm going to estimate there are 14 trees. Okay. So I think that would be the way. If you've got this idea of being told how many trees there are more or less in a certain section, counting the squares is quite good. Whereas the other one where we found the scale is when you only know the information about one section. That's often the best way to do it. Okay, good luck tomorrow, and I hope that helps. A bit of final help on histograms. Bye.